Welcome to Leggari Products, everyone. The video you're about to watch is a step-by-step tutorial on how to install an epoxy floor. We used floor kit number 2, a black base and silver highlights. Leggari Floor Kits were designed to transform your floors into something new and unique. Watch the process here.
All right, we're gonna show you how to install kit number 2 of our floor kits. This will be a black base with silver highlights using one of our simple drizzle and swirling techniques to just get a beautiful, dark, marbleized look. And then I'm going to take my magic trowel, my squeegee, and I'm just going to go around the perimeter. I don't need to push it all the way to the perimeter. I'm not trying to flood it onto the perimeter a bunch. I'm just trying to get it to the edge. When you start pushing material, what you want to do is don't push it all the way to the edge. Push it about 6 inches to the edge and then start rolling back in like that. That's so you don't push all of your material underneath your wall or off onto your driveway. But notice how my roller is not making any noise. It's leaving these kind of like roller tracks behind it, if you will. Kind of like this nap roller track, and it's doing all the work. It's picking up the epoxy and it's putting it where it needs to be. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start in the middle, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna kind of make sure it's nice all the way to the edges. Now notice I'm picking up right before I hit the end, because I don't wanna push it all the way off towards the edge. See, there's a little pile? I'm just gonna kind of roll that back in. I pick it up, roll it back in. So I never push it all the way to the edge. And this is really gonna help level out that area. And you can see I'm going pretty slow. You can imagine with an 18-inch roller and not trying to, have a video teaching people where you can really move. You can cover a lot of ground. %90 of the work right there. The floor's leveled out, and our epoxy is such a self-leveling product that it's going to look glass smooth when we're done. Now, You can always add more highlights, but it's really tough to try to blend them in where you can't see them if you add too much. So this is our silver, and we want to do just our basic drizzle technique. It's very easy, and it's going to be very random, but because black is such a dark color, I'm going to try to make my veins a little bit wider. I can even double it up. But one thing to remember is it's good to get color everywhere. It's good to get color everywhere, and then you can go back and add color in between, because if I dump out all of my color and I'm only halfway across this floor, that's not good. Okay, now I've got silver all over this floor. I'm just gonna go back over all the spots I have. I'm gonna add even more silver, just because some of these darker base coats, they have a tendency to completely take over the highlights. Certain base coats and certain colors of metallics are so potent. Another one of those colors is like deep red. Deep red tends to take over everything. So if I want there to be lots of silver showing, I'm gonna probably use a lot more silver. If I want my floor to be a lot darker, I may even use less than this. Now I'm gonna use the same roller that I used to do the base coat. I'm gonna make sure it's still saturated. You may even just get it saturated. Just roll it kind of randomly all over the floor so you don't soak up too much from one spot, and just get the roller saturated again. And what I'm gonna do is, I know I'm exiting here, so I'm gonna start from the back end of the project, the back end of this section, and I'm gonna work my way to the exit. That's it. And you watch, this will look absolutely phenomenal tomorrow.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. That was kit number 2. Remember, all of our kits are DIY friendly and you can do it in your home. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out some more videos while you're there.